Katatapos lang ng laban ng ating kababayan na si Vergel Valiente Vitor na ginanap sa Tagbilaran City, Bohol, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang South Korean fighter na si Tae-San Kim. Taglay ang kartada ng Koreano na 11 wins, 1 loss at 8 knockouts, habang ang ating kababayan ay may kartadang 21 wins, 3 losses at 14 knockouts. Pinaglabanan ng dalawa ang bakanting WBO Oriental Super Featherweight belt. Samantala si Tae-San Kim ay hindi pa nakaranas na bumagsak sa laban at 5 magkakasunod na knockout ang naipanalo nito sa mga naging huling laban. Kaya naman may kabigatan din ang kamao nito. Tunghayan kung paano ni-knockout ng Pinoy ang Korean fighter.
A Korean partner.
Yeah. His old title on this fight.
Certainly. There you go. They're standing both nice in the pockets, partner. Oh, quick upper. Partner,
Korean did predict a KO victory in the Philippines. I always, yung acclaimant and see, medyo mahirap.
I mean, it's lucky because right now it's not the hot compared to other nights. Right there with hooks from Vergel Vitor. Body shot by Vitor. Forces Tae-San Kim to cover up. Using that jab.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The right punch by Vergel Vitor.
Tae-San Kim is stunned for a moment right there, but he's standing right now. Our referee making sure he's to continue.
Sabi ko, partner, slight opening.
Oh, again, another right hand.
Oh, nice body by Vitor.
For him to be able to, but he's always been aggressive, but he's different right now. He has this single goal.
Oh, nice exchange by both fighters.
Oh!
Tae-San Kim get caught.
That shot by Tae-San Kim rocked Vergel Vitor also.
Oh! Vitor down.
Oh! A count against Vergel Vitor. Tae-San Kim. Oh, wow.
Round number.
Vergel Vitor, we know, is also a knockout artist. A little bit of tentativeness from both of them. Double jab straight for Tae-San. Counter right for Vitor.
Tae-San Kim on this round, partner.
A double jab by Tae-San Kim. Vitor.
Perhaps only PM. So like and share their social
Certainly.
media.
Like Sir Podot said, they always want to bring exciting fights. Oh, that's straight.
Oh, they
body
both
shots
fighting
by
each other
Vergel
right now.
Vitor. Oh, counter
What a
by
counter by
Tae-San
Kim.
Kim. Oh, there you have it. Another uppercut.
Kim is playing possum and he is trying to have a counter game.
Overhand by Vergel
nice
Vitor.
counter by Kim.
Oh, wow. Just no holding back. Just trying to feint with that jab. Commit exactly what you said so that he can counter. Oh, body shot by Vitor, partner.
Oh, nice upper by Vitor. He is pretty much composed.
Oh, certainly. Balance also for him, ano? He's able to pivot out of harm's way.
Nice exchange for both fighter, partner. Wow, what a slugfest.
A counter upper hook by Vitor. Trying to penetrate that guard by Tae-San Kim.
Nice body punches by Vitor.
Overhand again by
Vitor
Vitor.
again.
Body shot by Kim.
Oh, that hand hurt the right straight.
A minute to go from 4, partner.
Oh, that overhand did caught Vitor again. Oh! Down to the stamina again. Oh, again.
One.
Alam mo,
And you know what? A lot of people have been commenting about defense. You know, guys, defense comes in different jab. Flick that jab in front of you. You can always Tae-San Kim. You see, oh, huge jab. Nako, oh, that quick hook up top by Vitor. what you call an open stance, partner.
Oh,
May mga
again.
boxers talaga nagpe-prefer niyan kasi mas madali sumuntok for them. Oh, a counter right by Vitor.
End of round.
We're heading the halfway through. At overhand right by Vitor again. Stun Kim.
Vitor trying to overwhelm Kim, hitting him up top to cover up, for him to cover up, partner.
He trying to outmuscle Kim on this. Kung nilalaro niya. Right now, bumalik na naman siya sa
Right.
move,
Parrying that jab and countering.
middle of the round na. It's a matter of will. Who wants it more?
Medyo nagwo-wane na yung lakas nila. Both of them is having that sense of urgency, no?
Sa mga nanonood down on this fight.
That stiff jab by
Much
Vitor.
big guys. I think they're both. Oh!
Vitor sensing that but a quick counter by Tyson Kim.
What a great chin for this Korean.
Them are really working that lead hand, partner. When Vitor jabs, Tyson
On the eyes, on the right eye of Tyson Kim also.
similarly, itong si Tyson Kim also lands with that left overhand, no?
End of round number 6.
Vitor of the Philippines against Tyson Kim of the South Korea.
Mamalitin yung daplis. Minsan yung mga daplis na suntok, yun yung power, partner. So it doesn't mean na hindi bumabaon yung suntok, hindi yun malakas.
Alam mo, partner, if you could see the pace of the protagonist of this round, masasabi mo na
Huge right
that 1-2
hand
combination.
by Verel Vitor! Wow! Verel Vitor with that big right hand!
Seventh round.
Definitely, with 2 belts right now, Verel Vitor can potentially be our next world champion. Verel Vitor and his family are in tears. What an emotional moment, partner.
I think, partner, you could have measured the heart of Verel Vitor.
Certainly. And the
Panalo si Verel Vitor via 7th round knockout at siya na ngayon ang bagong WBO Oriental Super Featherweight Champion. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kabuksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.